It's Andrianna from Andrianna Creative, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to edit a template on Canva. So starting out, I'm going to start out by saying that this can vary based on device that you're operating Canva on. Canva does have the app, but Canva also has the website at the time of recording this video. But this tutorial is going to be a bit more based on the computer version, whether you're on PC or Mac, but it's pretty much similar on mobile. It's just you might find things in different places. Say, for instance, this toolbar on the left side, it would be on the bottom for mobile and stuff like that. It depends on which mobile you're on too, because it could look different for the iPad or tablets or stuff like that. But regardless, Canva also does have a help option as well, and you could go from there with asking them different things and stuff. But let's get into how to edit a template for Canva. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at your template and you're going to decide what it is that you want to change. Some templates, they have it to where you're just basically changing the date or the time or the names, different stuff like that. You might go in and change the photos for the frame and stuff. It depends on the different templates, but regardless, you're going to change this information. You can change the colors to whatever color you would like. And you can play around with the different effects in Canva and the different features for whatever you may personally want to do for your design. Let me start off with grouped elements. So something that I do in some of my templates is I group up different text boxes because they might have different text, different sizes, different effects, stuff like that. When you have text boxes grouped, you clicking and dragging is going to bring all of that entire group together. It's going to move it. But if you want to ungroup them, you just click it and then you press ungroup, and then you have each individual element. The undo button and the redo button are also very great in Canva because you can always just press the undo button if need be. As long as you haven't exited out of the design and then come back in, I think. With text boxes, let me show you with text boxes. With making a text box larger, if you want to make the font larger or smaller, drag it by the corners. If you want to make the length of the text box longer, say for instance, you space out the letters more, or you add in celebration and party, like you add in more to the text box. You want to space it out, drag it, click it and drag it by the sides of the font, by the corners, size of the text box and how far it stretches, by the sides. So it's pretty simple with editing the text boxes and stuff. It's pretty simple and easy. For locked elements on Canva, sometimes I might have elements locked in Canva from designing them and from the simple fact of, it was locked because it was to be right there. But if you want to unlock them and change them or whatever the case may be, all you have to do is just click on the element that is locked. You know it's locked because you're not able to move it. It's not showing options for you to change the colors. If there is an option to change the color or anything like that, it's not showing any options to edit it. Not even the position. It's fully locked. What you could do, press the unlock button. You can move it as you desire. Okay. Sometimes I use the lock button for frames because this, let me show you. This is a frame over top of this Polaroid. But this Polaroid is a photo that you can find in Canva. I drag it over here, it's going to latch onto the frame if I was to let the mouse go. However, if I lock this frame completely, not just locking the position, but locking it completely to where it says that lock, to where it shows that lock. When I drag this right here, it's not going to try to snap because this is locked and there's no changing it. But once you've done that, then you can unlock it and then drag in whatever photo you want to. Now, as far as the frames and for photos for the frames, what you would do is if you want to upload your own personal photos, come to the uploads tab, upload files, or on your device, it'll probably be like browse your library. And what you would do, this is an example. You would add it in, wait for it to load up. You can click it and then it'll come up here. And when you drag it over that frame, that unlocked frame, it's going to snap right there. And if you want to, you can crop it to where it is more well fit into the frame and different stuff like that. For frames, you can make them wider, you can make them taller, you can size them however you would like to. Some elements that you find in different Canva templates, some of them may be pro elements. This one, let me see. Let me just do for an example. This one is free by itself, but this one is free with Canva Pro, meaning if you have the Canva Pro membership, then you can use this with no watermark. But regardless, Canva Pro and Canva are both great programs within themselves. Even if you just have the Canva free version, it's still a great place for you to edit templates because there are some templates where they don't use the pro membership. And Canva has, at the time of recording this video, you can get a free Canva Pro trial. You can get a free trial with Canva Pro for 30 days. At the time of this video being recorded, they'll give it out to you for free if you're a new member. So yeah. Honestly and truly, that's pretty much it with editing templates. I wanted to do this video to help people out when they're editing templates. There's maybe some people who they get a template, this is their first time even going in Canva. And if you want a separate video about going in Canva, I say that you could check us out and comment down below and we can do a video like that. Just let us know down below. We might end up doing one anyway. But thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that this was really helpful in you editing your template, and enjoy.